Alright guys, so today I didn't get a chance to make any real content. I wanted to, try to keep the daily upload thing going, so we're going to do a little parts update for the Trans Am build. So here's some of the stuff I got already. Start with these. These are some GM replica restoration parts I got off eBay. These, they're not original, I'm not too concerned about it, but they look a lot better than most of the 30-ish year old center caps you're going to find. Definitely better than what I had before. I was running these before. They're just WS6 center caps that I had laying around that I plastied up to black. It did the job. It looked okay. But I always wanted the Goldberg because that's what's correct for the car. I want to do like an OE plus kind of build. So this is the factory Airbox, if you want to call it. It's kind of more like a cam. This is out of another parts car I had, and I think someone painted it at some point, but as you can see, there's some rust building up and everything. So, yeah, we'll take care of that. Not a big deal. It's already got a, this, I think. Well, I can't get it open right now, but I believe there's a K&N filter in here already, so that should be okay. Not as bad as stock, but it'll actually draw cold air from behind the bumper, which is nice. And like I said, OE plus. So I've been tossing around the idea of a cam. You can stick like an L98 cam or an LT1 cam in it without changing valve springs, and you don't really have to worry about the stock rocker studs either. But if I do go bigger, I've got a set of valve springs. My Firebird build that I ended up not using. They didn't work with the heads I was using, but they should work on a factory GM head, no issues. And the Preston rocker studs are a little bit of a concern if I go with a big cam, especially a cam that's going to need, a max lift spring, a 600 max lift spring. That's a little excessive, and the stock Preston rocker studs would pull right out of the head, which I don't want. That's how you break a lot. Eat a valve, kill a piston, kill a whole cylinder, tear every cylinder wall up in the car. I've been there. I don't want to do it anymore. This is a 1 elite proportioning valve, which basically just means that it's front and rear disc, not disc drum like a lot of them are. I'm thinking about using the whole assembly, minus the lines and everything, but at least the valve itself. I can pull the spring out and just swap the spring. It does the exact same thing as if I swap the whole valve. Or I can get a 5-pack of the springs for like $4.99 from Granger. I got to figure out what I'm going to do with that. These sell for a pretty decent amount of money, so I might resell it. Put that towards getting some new PBR calipers or something. And then I have this dash bezel, gauge bezel, whatever you want to call it. This is specific to 9192 because it doesn't have the attached switch panel down here, which is cool and everything. Now, the one that's in my car now is pretty nice, but there was an aftermarket alarm that I took out, and they put a little LED over here. It's not factory. It looks pretty bad. It serves literally no purpose, so I'm going to replace it with this one. It doesn't take long. It's like 6 bolts to do it. So that should be a nice little touch. Just clean up that little spot in the dash. It's always annoyed me. But yeah, stay tuned. I'm going to try to get some more content filmed. Let me know what you guys want to see. I'm kind of new to this, so I'm definitely willing to take any feedback I can get. Definitely looking to improve some. But thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.